Welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here as we explore the fascinating world of mini wood furniture, bringing you insights, tips, and design inspiration. If you enjoy our content, please take a moment to subscribe and hit the like button. It really helps us grow and continue providing quality videos. Don't forget to share this video with friends who might also love these ideas. Stay tuned till the end for some exciting bonus content that you won't want to miss. Thank you for joining us, and let's dive in. Mini wood furniture. Mini wood furniture has surged in popularity as more people navigate the realities of urban living. With rising rent prices and smaller living spaces, consumers are increasingly seeking furniture that is not only compact but also stylish. This shift reflects a broader change in lifestyle, where functionality meets aesthetic appeal. Mini wood furniture caters to this demand by providing practical solutions that enhance the livability of smaller homes without compromising on design. Trends driving popularity. The current trend towards minimalist living plays a pivotal role in the fast-selling nature of mini wood furniture. Minimalism emphasizes simplicity and functionality, encouraging consumers to invest in fewer, higher-quality items. As people declutter their lives, they look for furniture that meets essential needs while maintaining a clean and open space. Moreover, the growing interest in organic and natural materials has led to a resurgence of wood as a preferred material, with many consumers gravitating towards pieces that showcase the grain and texture of the wood. Versatility and functionality. The versatility of mini wood furniture is one of its standout features. These pieces often serve multiple functions, making them ideal for small spaces. For example, a compact wooden console table can function as a decorative display space while providing additional storage. Similarly, ottomans that double as storage units are perfect for keeping living areas organized. This multifunctionality is appealing to consumers who want to make the most of every square inch of their homes. Aesthetic appeal. Aesthetic considerations play a crucial role in the purchasing decisions of consumers. Mini wood furniture offers a warm, inviting look that can elevate the ambiance of any room. With various styles available, ranging from Scandinavian minimalism to rustic farmhouse, homeowners can easily find pieces that complement their existing decor. Additionally, the natural variations in wood grain add unique character to each item, making them not just functional but also visually appealing. Space management solutions. As urban dwellers adapt to limited square footage, space management becomes essential. Mini wood furniture provides ingenious solutions to common spatial challenges. For instance, wall-mounted shelves save floor space while offering storage and display options, and foldable dining sets can be tucked away when not in use. These space-saving designs allow consumers to maintain an uncluttered environment, catering to the growing desire for organized living spaces. The role of online shopping. The rise of e-commerce has transformed how consumers shop for furniture. Online platforms allow for easy comparison of styles and prices, enabling shoppers to find exactly what they need without the hassle of navigating crowded showrooms. Additionally, many brands have adopted user-friendly websites that feature detailed product descriptions, high-quality images, and customer reviews. This transparency enhances consumer confidence, making it easier for them to make informed decisions and driving quicker sales. Popular items on the market. Among the fast-selling items in the mini wood furniture category, several pieces stand out. Compact coffee tables are a staple, often featuring innovative designs that maximize surface area without overwhelming a room. Minimalist desks designed for home offices have also gained traction, especially with the rise of remote work. Furthermore, versatile storage units, such as small bookcases and modular shelving, are in high demand as they provide both function and style, appealing to consumers looking for practical solutions. Consumer demographics. Understanding the demographics of mini wood furniture consumers is crucial for manufacturers and retailers. While the appeal spans various age groups, Millennials and Gen Z are leading the charge. These younger generations prioritize design and functionality in their purchases, often favoring brands that align with their values, such as sustainability and ethical production. They are also more likely to engage with brands through social media, making them a significant target market for online marketing campaigns. Influencer and social media impact. Social media has become a powerful tool in shaping consumer preferences and trends. Influencers and home decor bloggers frequently showcase their interiors featuring mini wood furniture, creating aspirational spaces that resonate with their followers. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are filled with curated images that inspire consumers to purchase similar items for their own homes. This visual marketing strategy has a profound impact on sales, as consumers are eager to replicate the styles they admire online. Sustainability and ethical considerations. The contemporary consumer is increasingly conscious of the environmental impact of their purchases. Mini wood furniture often appeals to eco-conscious shoppers due to its natural materials and potential for sustainable sourcing. Brands that emphasize environmentally friendly practices, such as using reclaimed wood or eco-certification, tend to attract a loyal customer base. This shift towards sustainability not only influences purchasing decisions but also encourages manufacturers to adopt greener practices in their production processes. Customization options. Customization is another factor that enhances the appeal of mini wood furniture. Many retailers offer options for consumers to choose finishes, colors, and even dimensions to suit their specific needs. This level of personalization allows buyers to create a unique piece that fits perfectly within their space, fostering a sense of ownership and satisfaction. Customizable furniture also opens up opportunities for designers to cater to niche markets by offering specialized solutions. Challenges in the market. Despite its popularity, the mini wood furniture market faces several challenges. Competition from cheaper, mass-produced alternatives can undermine the appeal of high-quality craftsmanship. Additionally, consumers may encounter issues with quality assurance, especially when shopping online. Brands must focus on maintaining high standards and transparency in their production processes to build trust with consumers and differentiate themselves in a crowded marketplace. Future innovations in mini wood furniture. As technology advances, the future of mini wood furniture is poised for exciting innovations. Smart furniture solutions that integrate technology, such as charging ports and built-in speakers, are gaining traction among consumers who value convenience. Additionally, advancements in materials and production techniques, such as 3D printing and sustainable finishes, will likely shape the design landscape. As manufacturers embrace these innovations, they will be able to create multifunctional pieces that cater to evolving lifestyles. The future holds great potential for mini wood furniture to adapt to the needs of modern living, making it an integral part of home design for years to come. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Your support means a lot and helps us create more content for you. See you in the next video.